Hello, my name is Simon Müller. I'm the product manager of CANoe.DiVa. Today I'd like to show you how to export and import DTC and parameter information into DiVa. I opened a DiVa configuration already. There are already some DTCs and parameters configured in here. I can use that icon up here to export my DTC settings. To an Excel sheet. So I open that one in Excel. So split that. So we can see here we have the two DTCs that I already have configured in here. So what I can do now is I can add some new DTC information here. For example, I just duplicate this line here, and maybe I give them this DTC another qualifying time, maybe like that. So I will set that to 11 seconds and same here. So maybe I just also want to test this DTC using a qualifying time of 11 seconds. What I also can do here now is that I use, also maybe I already got DTC information described in some other Excel file. I can use this file, copy paste the information in here, and then load it back to DiVa. So I'll save that, close it, and I go back to import. There's that icon up here. And I get the new stimulus here. We see that warning indicator here, which tells us this stimulus was just imported, and I need to confirm if I really want to use it. So by checking the checkbox in here, you see the qualifying time is 11 seconds here, and in the first stimulus it's 13 seconds. It pretty much works the same way with the parameters. Already did some configurations here. So I export the parameters also in Excel. Save it and I open it. And I see the parameters in here that I already got. And so what I can do now is I can manually edit here. I can add new test settings, so maybe another value here, and also change that one to, let's say, like that. Save it and I load it back in DiVa, and I got the new settings in here. So for the line that I just added. Okay, so that's it. How to exchange via Excel test information with maybe already existing formats that you have. Thank you.